It's just one of those days. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit, let it slip, or you can leave it with a bad lip. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit talking that long, so come and get it. I feel like my suggestion is to keep your distance, cause right now I'm dangerous. We've all felt like and been treated like all those they wanna step up. I hope you know I pack a chainsaw, get your ass raw. And if my day keeps going this way, I just might break something tonight. I pack a chainsaw, get your ass raw. And if my day keeps going this way, I just might break something tonight. I pack a chainsaw, get your ass raw. And if my day keeps going this way, I just might break your breaking face tonight. Give me something to break. Give me something to break. Just give me something to break. How about your face? I hope you know I'm like a chainsaw. What? A chainsaw. What? I love a chainsaw. What? So come and get it. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit, let it slip, or you can leave it with a bad lip. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit talking that long, so come and get it.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. Yeah. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat him in
they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south.
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna